So the first like flash transition we're gonna do is it's gonna be like just like make a big rectangle that fills up the entire screen, and then do it. It doesn't really matter. I do like 2 frames, and then make sure the fill is white, and then basically you have this like transition. It's really simple. So we're just gonna get our rectangle and we're just gonna move it to the side. It doesn't have to be perfect, just like decently. So like right there, duplicate it here and then put another one here. But this time put it on the side and just do that. And then it'll do this like half transition thing. It looks really good, especially in like edits. What you're gonna do is you're actually gonna add an adjustment layer to add the effect. So just get that and then add it 1 frame before, or it doesn't really matter. And then 2 frames after, you can put effects on it. And then you're gonna get a solid, so new and then solid. And then just get a black solid. And then put it below no, or whatever thing you're transitioning. And then put this right here. And then just get invert and then put it on the adjustment layer. And then it'll invert. And then we're just gonna add like another rectangle just like above it. That'll flash. Like right here where the transition is. And then it'll look really good.